Morning, everyone. This is Rajendran here from Market Calls. Joining from Bangalore, and our presenter today, Mr. Praveen Gupta, CEO of Symphony Fintech. He's joining from Mumbai, and he'll be taking you through the basics of algorithmic trading sessions and the practical applications, and quite a demo involved in it today. So hope you'll be enjoying the session. I'll hand over to Praveen Gupta, CEO of Symphony Fintech, the algo trading solution provider. Yes, sir. You can start with your session.
All right. Good morning, friends. Welcome you all. Okay, first of all, thanks Rajendran for giving me an opportunity to talk to you all. Okay, a brief about me. I am the co-founder of Symphony Fintech. Symphony was launched about 5 years ago to develop the technology with a vision of enabling active traders with futuristic automated trading solutions. During this journey, I have met thousands of traders and I've been studying their pain points and trading methodologies. I'm here to share some of my experiences and talk to you about algo trading. All right, so our agenda today is what is algo trading, where does it stand in India, what are the challenges faced by manual traders, what is the algo life cycle, what it requires for an algo trader to pass through the different phases of the algo trading, and we will take a case study on how any broker can be automated to do the automated trading. We will show you some demos with our virtual exchange, which will be followed by question answer session. There will be sufficient time for you to talk to me on questions and answers. Reserve your questions for end of the session. And if you have any question, you may put it in your chat window in your GoToWebinar panel. Let's look at how the market trends have moved. In good old days, we used to place order by phone. Still some of the people do it. We used to call up our broker to place the buy and sell orders. These days we place order manually. We place order manually through the online portals. And now is the time where we want our machines to place order and we want to spend more time in researching the opportunities what market is throwing to us. We have been moving with the technology. We have changed so far and we will have to change once again. We have seen in past that those who do not change, they are left behind. So a lot of people, they keep asking me what is algo trading. Now the questions are there in front of you. Some of the people, they ask me, is it working with the complex formulas, or is it working with charts, difficult to decipher the price charts? Is it data crunching with the complex numbers, or is it really a money-making machine? In my opinion, algo trading is actually a disciplined trading with set of predefined rules. It is trading with the minimum of human intervention, and it is trading without the human emotions. As an algo trader, the first step is that we have to become a disciplined trader. We have to define some preset rules, and we have to stop fingering our trading terminal every now and then. So think of becoming a disciplined trader and you have crossed the first stage of algo trading. Coming to the challenges which are faced by manual traders, as I talk to the traders, they talk to me about the challenges which they are facing. They say that I am not able to increase the number of stocks. I am able to concentrate only in the limited stocks in which I am trading. I am not able to increase my trading volumes, although I have funds and I have a methodology to trade. As an asset manager or as a wealth manager, I am able to place orders manually only with the limited customers of mine. I am not able to increase my customer base. Somebody tells me that they do not have a single platform where they are able to design a strategy, test a strategy, and finally do the live trading. As a manual trader, I am not free of emotions. Although I may be disciplined, but still I tend to play some trades because of my gut feeling or because of my emotions. As a manual trader, I tend to make some mistakes. I do some wrong trades. I miss some opportunities. There are opportunities which I am not able to notice, but and they were not visible to me at all. And there have been many cases that I am able to identify the opportunity, but I just could not convert them into trade. I am sure there are many more such issues or which manual trader may be facing, they may be coming across. I am sharing with you in this slide the survey which was done by somebody on why different people do the algorithmic trading. There are many people, they do algorithmic trading because they want to reduce the cost of trading. There are traders who do large amount of trading and they remain anonymous. There are brokers or the wealth manager, they want to increase their per trader productivity by using the automation. There are traders who want to be consistent in their execution philosophy and want to use the algorithmic trading. Or you may want to reduce the market impact cost because suddenly market throws some uncertainties. Or there could be, the reasons could be ease of trading or the speed of execution or the customized method of trading as the market situation changes. Now coming to the algo life cycle. This is the screen what you are saying. There are 4 stages of the algo life cycle. The first stage, to become an algo trader, you have to design your trading methodology. You have to design your set of rules. Put down on a piece of paper what you want to trade, how do you want to trade, when you want to enter, when you want to exit. Program it on some suitable platform. Once you have done that, consider all the possible scenarios which may come across and then program it. Once you have programmed it, then you would like to backtest your strategy with the historical data or backtest your set of rules with the historical data. It could be 1 month of historical data or 1 year of data or maybe 5 years of data depending on the trading methodology or the data available to you, but you must do the backtesting. The reason is first you want to iron out whether your trading methodology, are there any bugs or issues or some scenarios which you have not covered, and you want to see that if you would have run through this set of rules, how it would have behaved in the past. The next phase which I see some people miss out is the paper trading or a virtual trading, where you want to see how your trading, how your method would have behaved now in the current market scenario with the live feed and with the virtual exchange. So paper trading is also equally important, and once you have done that, you are happy with your results in the back testing and the paper trading, then you would like to do the live trading. Remember, it is important that to become an algo trader, you must pass through all the 4 phases. The amount may differ, the amount of time you spend on it, it may differ, but we should go through all the 4 phases, and then we can say that yes, we are the algo trader. This screen will show you what is going on about algo trading. Somebody in 2012 had shared that in India 25% of the derivative volume is being contributed through the algorithmic trading. As per the latest figures available with NSE, it is about 35% of the trading today is happening because of the algorithmic trading. So let me try and take you to the NSE's website just to share some results. Let's see if I can connect. All right, you can see this NSE website, and you will see the algo trading 15.9%, and there's a co-location 24.8%. So co-location also, most of the co-location trading which is happening. Co-location is the trading servers when they are deployed in the exchange premises. So 24 plus 15, as you will see, about 39%. So roughly about more than 35% trading which is happening today in India is already with the algorithmic trading. The data available is that more than 180 broking firms, this is as per 2012, but yes, now it may be more than 200. So there are more than 200 brokers have already taken the permission from exchange in India to do the algorithmic trading. And if you see the developed markets, the figures are that more than 70% of the trading which happens in the developed markets is because of algorithmic trading. Considering all of this figure, you have to see that where do we stand in terms of the taking our first step into the algorithmic trading. The market is moving. We are today at 35% market share in the algorithmic trading, and developed markets have 70%, and it will not be very far that we will be very close to almost about 70% of the trading by algorithmic trading. Symphony as a company has emerged as a leading vendor who is providing trading solutions, algorithmic trading solutions to the top retail brokers. This is the pictorial way I would like to show you how an AmiBroker based strategy can be automated. As you can see, this is our typical trading terminal screen which you have an access to. All right, this is the trading server. Okay, and this is your AmiBroker chart screen. Okay, and this is a bridge which connects AmiBroker to the trading server. Sorry. So you have live feed which we have a live feed which comes to the AmiBroker chart which generates the triggers. These triggers, they go to the bridge which is AmiBroker to the Presto. Presto is a trading platform developed by Symphony. So these triggers, they go to the bridge, and the triggers from the bridge, they go to the trading server. The input in this trading server, now you have basically the algorithmic trading can also be divided into two parts. One part is what you are doing it from the chart, that is opportunity generation, where you have defined your logic to buy and sell and find out the price of trading. The second is that executing this opportunity, you want to place the bracket order, you want to do the profit slicing, you want to do stop loss trailing. All this can be defined as an execution strategy in the trading server. So your triggers which are coming from AmiBroker, they can be executed further through some set of rules which you have defined in the trading server. The input to this execution algorithm will be given from your terminal on what all parameters you want to have, and then the finally trades, they go to the exchange. So we'll also demonstrate to you after some time. So let me take you to the demo. So this is an AmiBroker screen. As you can see, there are a couple of charts, and AmiBroker, there are three stocks which we have identified: Bank Nifty, Reliance, and Nifty, where the trading will be conducted. Okay, let me take you to the trading terminal. Okay, this is the bridge which is connecting ME Broker to Presto, and this is the trading terminal. This is our Presto trading terminal. All right. So first in the trading terminal, let me show you a very simple strategy. Okay. So this is a very simple example of how an algorithmic trading happens. So let's say you want to trade in Nifty or in Reliance. You have selected the stock. You have created your own market watch, and you want to. Let's say you got an opportunity and you want to place a limit order to buy or sell the stock. Let me just place an order to you and then you will know. So I'm trying to buy Nifty. I do not want to buy it at market price. I'm sending the order at my limit price. So suppose the order is sent on a limit as a limit order. Market may the exchange may execute it or may not execute that as a limit order. Now, if the order is not executed, then I would like to instead of myself modifying the order, I would like algorithm to keep modifying the order with the predefined rules and then finally execute the order. So I do not want to waste my time in modifying the order. As you can see, this is the new order which has gone at 6,400 rupees. And now my algorithm, without myself doing anything, my algorithm is modifying. You know, you can see this replaced order, replaced order. My modifying the algorithm is replacing the order and then finally executing it at a market price if it is not done. So I am trying to capture the best possible price through this algorithm. So this is one simple classic case like that. It can be any defined rules, and you may have further methodologies to change the parameters. So this algorithm is trying to wait for 10 seconds after the order is placed, and if the order is not executed, then it modifies the price by 1 tick, and it keeps on doing it for 3 attempts, and even then if it is not done, then it is replacing the order to the market. So, or you may also have a rule to cancel the order. So this is the way we are executing with this particular set of rules. Now I'll show you how the trigger, when it comes from ME Broker and it comes as a limit order, and how it gets executed. So let me take you to the ME Broker screen. Okay, as you can see in Reliance, the sell trigger has come, which you can see in our bridge that the sell trigger has come over here, and this is the ID 3780004. Okay, let's see how it is captured in the trading platform. Okay, here you can see that the order from ME Broker which came in Reliance, this got executed over here at this price. All right. So without any manual intervention, the trigger which is coming from ME Broker is being executed. Now this is being executed, as I said, through the set of rules which have been defined in the execution algorithm. Okay. Let me show you how an asset manager or a wealth manager would like to work. Okay, so let's say I am the asset manager, and I have set up my trading screen where I have 3 clients over here. My client account number is 111, 222 and 666, and I want to trade in Bank Nifty, Infosys, Infy, ONGC and Coal India. So this is the trading setup which I have done, and I'm waiting for now the trigger to come from ME broker. All right. So let me take you to the ME broker screen once again. So in ME broker screen, as you can see, this was the sell trigger which came. And this sell trigger was over here against this ID at 13,276. Okay, so this was the sell trigger which came from our ME broker chart 13,276.05, and accordingly now it had taken the position, and already it is all squared off into the multiple client account. All right. This execution platform also provides various hot buttons, like you can start the execution algorithm, you can pause the algorithm. Pause means basically it will not take the new triggers from any broker, but it will continue to execute the current opportunities. Or you can stop the trading at all, or you may just pick up, you can select one of the stock or the client accounts, and you can just square off the order and book your profit and loss. This particular screen at the bottom will keep on showing you how the realized and unrealized and total profit and loss is being worked out in the current strategy. This ME broker, we have taken the popular super trend algorithm of market calls, and we are trying to trade with this. All right. So this was my presentation on the algorithmic trading, and I am now open for question and answer session.
Before, I'll have a couple of questions from my side. So let me ask a couple of questions, then I'll leave it to the audience to ask questions. Right? So,
right. Yes,
I mean, anyone can use Symphony FinTech with any of the brokers, or how it is?
All right. So the brokers who have acquired our technology, they can offer it to their customers. So we have our list of brokers, our partner brokers. You can open a trading account with them and integrate your solution with Symphony's Presto and do it. Let me just share the list of brokers what we have. This is our partner list: Composite Edge in Bangalore, India Infoline, Nirmal Bank, Philips Capital, Reliance Securities. We are already in discussion with some more like Motilal Oswal and Anand Rathi and SMC. So they will also be joining in very soon. So yes, it's not that any broker will offer it. Obviously, the broker who is using our trading platform will be able to offer the solution to you.
So okay, basically, I mean, the broker, if they want to provide an algo solution, they have to partner with Symphony FinTech. Then only they can provide it to their clients, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then my another question is like, what is an execution algorithm? Because we know about ME broker algorithm, the buy and sell logic. What is an execution algorithm? How it matters to a trader?
See, execution algorithm is basically the set of rules on how you want to execute your trigger, which is coming from ME broker. So, the easiest way is that you may say that the trigger when it comes, if the buy comes from ME broker, you just place a market order and just buy it, and if the sell comes, you just place a market order and sell it. But as a professional trader, first of all, we do not generally buy it on a market, because market means exchange will give you trade at any of the price, whatever they think it is appropriate. As a professional trader, I would like to send as a limit order and would like to, let's say, buy it at the best possible price. But when I place a limit order, the order may not get executed. So I may have some set of rules, as I showed it to you, how you would like to execute it. If I am an asset manager and I have a winning formula on ME broker, then based on the single trigger which is coming in, I may want to execute in multiple of my client accounts with the targets and the stop loss and the trailing stop loss or the bracket order. Okay. So execution algorithms are the set of rules on how you would like to execute the opportunity which you have identified on the ME broker. Okay, it could be the money management rules, it could be the type of orders, it could be order slicing, your target slicing, your optimization on the opportunities, because ME broker may get into the whipsaws mode where you may have quick buy, quick sell, and it is getting into the losses. So you may also define some filters in the execution algorithm. So basically execution algorithm is nothing to do with the decision making. It is how you would like to execute your opportunities which are identified in the charting application.
Okay, so my another question is, what is the procedure if someone wants to do an algorithmic trading? What are the exchange regulations? What exchange says, and how one can any approval is required from the exchange side?
Yes, there are two primary things which are which have to be considered in as far as the Indian trading is concerned. One is that exchange wants the trader to be registered as a registered dealer before he can do the algorithmic trading. So you have to approach your broker. Broker will take some KYC documents and will do the registration process. There is very minimal minor cost which is involved, which as I understand it is about 2,500 rupees per segment if you have to do it. So it will be an expense of cash or future, whatever you want to do. So a couple of thousand rupees as the registration process to become a registered dealer. Second regulation is that the algorithms should be approved before it is allowed to be traded in the exchange. Or otherwise you have to take the pre-approved algorithms and you can run through the pre-approved algorithms. So a broker may have some pre-approved algorithm, or technology vendor like us, we may have some pre-approved algorithms. So those you can just start trading immediately. If you have your own custom algorithm, it is required to be approved from the exchange on behalf of a broker where you are trading, and then you can start trading.
Okay, my another question is, what are the exchanges you are supporting? We know that you are supporting for NSE and NSE currencies and NSE derivatives. How about an MCX? Are you supporting any other international exchanges?
We are supporting NSE and MCX. International exchanges we are not live, although we have completed our development activities. The testing is going on, but we are not live in the international exchanges. BSE we have completed the development activity, but they have changed some bridge now. So we will be coming up with the BSE once again very soon. So at this moment we are live with NSE and MCX, and we'll be coming up with BSE very soon.
Okay, so could you a little bit brief on what is a virtual exchange? How a trader can take advantage of the virtual exchange?
Okay, so Presto, Symphony as a company has defined a Presto virtual exchange. What we showed you just now was actually the orders which were sent to the Presto virtual exchange. Now, this virtual exchange,
it is a simulated exchange basically, right?
Yeah, so it is like any virtual exchange means it is not a live exchange which is provided by the exchange. It is a software which behaves like an exchange. Okay, so virtual exchange is a software, is a technology which will behave as if you would have sent the order to the exchange. So how the exchange would have behaved. So Symphony as a company has developed the Presto virtual exchange, like us many others also would have developed. So where the orders are meshed in Presto virtual exchange, the technology we have adopted, we have done very close to how the live exchange would have done, where we are looking at the order book, and depending on the type of order, the order book availability, the quantity, the bid and ask price, we do the order matching and give you the real-time feeling on how your order would have gone to the exchange. Okay. And you know, we have the actually paper trading club, where a lot of traders, they come and they participate and they test their algorithm and check the performance of their algorithm.
Okay, fine, sir. Let me take you through the questions from the audience. One of our audience, Mr. Vinod Agarwal. He wants to know what is the cost of installing software requirements license copy of single user algo trading. The question is Vinod Agarwal.
All right. Hi, Vinod. Yes, when you come to Symphony, we have our rack rates are there. So at this moment, our current price is that as a single trader, if you want to trade using our technology, the cost is 25,000 rupees for 1 full year of license, and you will open an account with our partner broker and trade with them. There are many other different licensing depending on you want to trade in multiple client account, then there will be a different license, or if you want to come with the custom algorithm, so there will be a little more different pricing. But yes, this is the standard rack rate for it. And then our partner brokers, they may come up with some special offers, and they may subsidize our license fee, or they may absorb some of the license fee, or they may come up with some offerings. As I understand, Composite Edge is running some scheme this month, and you may speak to them to understand what is the scheme for this particular month with Composite Edge.
Okay, hope Vinod that answers your question. There is one more question from Mr. Harsin. Actually, he has he asked how much return we can expect per month through algorithmic trading.
See, as I said, algorithmic trading, see what we discussed about the trading platform, algorithmic trading platform and what is algorithmic trading? The returns will depend on the strategy with which you are trading. Okay, Symphony as a company is a technology company where we have developed the trading platform which can be used to automate your trading methodology. Or you may get the trading system of any of your strategists or the people on whom you can believe in, and the performance will depend on that strategy. It has nothing to do with the trading platform. So it's a very generic question, and I think the answer of this will depend on which strategy you are talking about. Whatever you are trading manually and you are getting the result, obviously you can expect that by automating that particular strategy you will get better results. But I think the answer does not lie in the trading platform.
Yes, Hassan, it's very simple. I mean, Symphony is an enabler. They provide facility to make your solution automated. That's it. I mean, they provide you the terminal, they provide you the facility to automate from AMI broker they take it to the exchange automatically, right? So, guess you got what the Symphony is providing. They're not providing any sophisticated algorithms. It's you have to come up with your algorithm, right, sir?
Yes.
Yes, and there is one more question from Jan Kowalski. He asked, does platform supports sending orders to interactive brokers as well?
No, at this moment we have not done it. We have it in our plans, but we have not done it as yet.
So how about Zerodha? This is a question from Sanjay Joseph. Have you partnered with Zerodha?
We have not partnered with Zerodha. We are in talk with Zerodha, but yes, at this moment we are not there. Okay,
great. And there is one question from Santosh Gadre. Do I need to have my own virtual machine environment? Who can provide a co-location? Essentially, who can walk me step by step through the process of enabling algo for the individual trader in including cost, investments, recurring of one-time fees, etc. So his question is on what kind of virtual environment he have to take and where he have to take, and what is the process involved for an individual trader in terms of cost and investment and one-time recurring fees.
Okay. Yes. You can talk to us, and we will get you. We will, tell you the whole process step by step how it has to be done. First is that you have to come and talk to us and understand that whatever you want to trade and you want to automate, is it feasible or not? Does it match your expectation on what we can provide and what you are expecting is? So talk to us. let's discuss the technical integration, what it is possible. We have some ready-made plugins available, like as you have seen with AmiBroker, we have the ready-made plugin which is available. We are working on integrating with MT4, with Falcon, with Spider Iris, with Microsoft Excel. We have already done the integration, so that any strategy within Excel, if you make using your macros, it can be automated. So we have many possible ways on which we can make you an automated trader. Once you have understood that yes, it can be done, you can subscribe to our virtual trading platform. You don't need anything. We have everything on cloud. You just have to take the login facility from us. You have to register by paying a nominal fee, and you can start doing the testing of your algorithm. You obviously have to open a account with one of our partner broker, and you will be able to do the live trading. So these are in general the steps which are required. So as a first point of contact, yes, get in touch with us. My email address is praveen.gupta@symphonyfintech.com, or you can send email on info@symphonyfintech.com, and we will take you through all the processes, and we will guide you.
Okay, thank you, sir. There is one more question from Nikhil Dogra. He said, how about a non-programmer if he is not familiar with AmiBroker? If he has some strategy in mind, do you provide a coding strategy coder who can code the requirements of a non-programmer?
Yes, if you come up with your trading methodology set of rules, we can program it ourselves. Under the confidentiality agreement, and we will tell you how much fees it will be. Or we can also point out, if we are not the expert, then in the sense that we obviously can program it on our trading platform. But if you are looking at third-party applications like AmiBroker or MT4, we will point out to the experts who know our system and who can program it on these third-party applications.
Okay, great.
So yes, we are open, and we are happy to automate program your trading methodology.
Okay. There is one more question from Santosh. He asked, what is an order slicing, and what is the term profit slicing? You used the term profit slicing during your webinar. What does it mean? If you want to know more about it.
Yes. Basically, when you see, you may want to take, let's say, the position in a particular stock, let's say with 10 quantities. So once you have taken the position, then you have some target in your mind. Let's say you want to achieve 20% profitability, but you are obviously not sure that whether market will give you 20% profitability or not. So you may want to slice your profit booking, and at every stage you want to book your profits. So maybe 2 lots you want to book at 5% profit, and another 2 lot you want to book at 10% profit, another 2 lot you want to book at 15% profit. So that is called as the order slicing while you are executing the order. You may also do the order slicing even at the entry stage also, where you are saying that, as the market moves, I will keep on buying and accumulating my positions. So that is what is the order slicing.
Okay, so there are a couple of questions on one single topic. People want to know more about getting the approval. So who is responsible for getting the approval, either the retail trader or Symphony Fintech, and who approves the algorithm, whether SEBI will approve or the exchange will approve?
Yeah, SEBI. Okay, so for getting the approval, we will be the one point contact for you. Okay, you can approach us, and we will take you through the process. Actually, the approval is taken on behalf of the broker. Okay, because exchange always recognizes the broker. So you can come to us. We will guide you. We will go to the exchange, the respective exchange, on your behalf and on behalf of the broker, and we will take you through the whole process. SEBI is the regulator who puts the processes in place for the exchanges to follow, and now exchange is implementing the processes through the broker.
Okay, great. So there is one more question from Mr. Yashodhan Latkar. So he wants to know about can I trade different strategies? He want to trade on Nifty and Reliance. Can he use different strategies, or he have to use the same strategy on different instruments only? So how it is?
No, in the trading platform, what we have developed, the way we have designed the technology where multiple traders will trade on the single platform. On the single platform, there can be n number of strategies, and as a trader, you can access multiple strategies and use it. So you may have 2 or 3 strategies which you want to trade. Let's say one could be an intraday strategy, one could be a positional strategy, and you can access both these strategies or many more from the single login. Okay, those same strategies, if it is our pre-packaged strategies, then it can also be accessed by many more traders. So it is one to many and many to one relationship between the strategy and the trader.
Okay. So Ravi, there is one more question from Ravi Palwankar. He want to know about can he use in 1 minute time frame? Can he use any strategy, or probably the super trend strategy in 1 minute time frame? Or what is the brokerage of Symphony Fintech or broker? Probably I think the brokerage part, everything can be taken, the questions can be taken offline. Another question which is coming is what is the delay time lag in execution of order? What is the lag? What is the latency of the execution of order? And he also want to know about which is the best brokerage and which broker, the partner broker, who is having the best brokerage and leverage.
Okay, so this is a trading platform which is connected to the exchange with the high-speed lease lines from the broker's data center. Okay, let's say our technology will be deployed at Composite Edge. Our technology will also be deployed at Nirmal Bang or in the Indian Flying. And then these servers, trading servers, are connected to the exchange through the high-speed lease lines, like any other trading you may be doing using Odin or Nest or Motilal Oswal or Sher Khan. So we have the platform which is connected to the exchange, and there is no time lag. It is fraction of the second, or in the millisecond itself your trade is executed. By the time you have seen it, it is already executed. Okay. So there is no delay in this case. And data, it is a live data which is coming from the exchange directly. It is sent to you, and your algorithm is working on the live tick data which is coming from the exchange. As far as the 1 minute data is concerned, you will actually be taking it in your AmiBroker chart or any charting tool, because the data what exchange gives is the tick data, and in the AmiBroker or the chart you will be using your 1 minute or 5 minute whatever OHLC data which you are looking at.
Okay, Ravi also have one more question on that. His question is, which version of AmiBroker is required for algorithmic trading? And he also want to know about do you provide support for setting the AmiBroker with your algorithmic trading, or the traders are the one who have to take care of all the settings?
All right, I missed the first part of the question.
Which version of AmiBroker is required for algorithmic trading setup?
I think Rajendran, you may be able to answer that. As far as I am concerned, I think that it can be any version.
Go with the recent version, preferably anything above 5.5 version, because 5.5 version onwards, AmiBroker has a lot of features coming in. So my recommendation is always to go with anything above 5.5, and it's always recommended to use the latest version of AmiBroker, which involves full features in it.
All right. And as the second part of the question is concerned, yes, we will be able to give you the day-to-day working support on the AmiBroker, though I will expect you to be the AmiBroker user, attend some training sessions, some online session, and Rajendran keeps on conducting a lot of seminars and webinars to educate people on the AmiBroker. So on the day-to-day operational usage or issues, we may be able to help you out on the AmiBroker.
Okay.
But yes, as much as possible, you should be the AmiBroker expert.
Yes. And one more thing, I mean, anything questions related to brokerage or related to the broker, we can take it offline, right, sir?
Yes, correct. I think
Yes.
that would be better because obviously every broker has their different brokerage.
Yes. And there's one more question from Harshit Patel. What if I want to do an arbitrage, especially with equity and futures? So how to go with that? Do you provide support on algorithmic trading on arbitrages?
Yes, see, as an arbitrager, if you are looking for the low latency, high frequency trading platform, then this is not the place because we are talking about directional trading and the trading to the active traders who are looking at trading with multiple algorithms at a time. So generally there are arbitrageurs who want to use the high frequency trading ultra low latency platform which is co-located in the exchange and the cost of trading is substantially high. But if you have your custom arbitrage strategy which you want to trade, you can come to us and we will program it for you and we can give you an access for it.
Okay. So there is one more question from Nitin Tammarkar. So it is, I think it is the same repeated question. Do you provide any algo system and can we have a backer result, profit loss history for last 1 year? So it's Nitin.
No, we are not.
Yeah. Symphony is not an.
We are not into selling strategies.
Yeah, they're just offering the platforms. And there is one more question from Samir Shah. Can you share the existing Symphony Presto pre-approved algorithmic strategy list? What is that?
Yes, we have some list. I think Rajendran, possibly I'll share it with you, which you could put it in your website or in the mailing list.
Sure. And there is one more question.
And we also have it on our website. Also, we have it on our website. But yes.
Okay. There is one more question from Drumil Patel. What are the various options to build a setup apart from home desktop or laptop? Does virtual cloud system is supported? Can I put AmiBroker and all my algos in virtual cloud? Can I start doing that? Does it support?
Yes, we have the virtual cloud where you could deploy your AmiBroker on our virtual cloud and take a remote of it and monitor your trading from anywhere from your home or office.
Okay.
So yes, we provide this facility. There will be a nominal cost for it, which we can share with you when you talk to us.
Okay. So one more question from Rajesh Sharma. He want to know about if I am a dealer, then in how many accounts I can trade automatically? Is there any limit on trading client accounts? This is concern.
No, there is no limit. You can map all of your client accounts under one single dealer account and you can trade.
Okay.
Obviously, the limitation you may want to see is that how many single dealer, how many client accounts he can monitor if it is required to be monitored. So that may be the question. But yes, as a exchange regulation or as a technology, there is no limitation.
Okay, there is one more question from Rajesh Nihalani. He's asking, if I host in Symphony Cloud or the Brokers Cloud, is there any chance of getting my strategy getting leaked or copied by someone else?
So it is like any other cloud where you get the login and password access to your cloud. So the entire control is with you. Okay, which strategy you take? Do you put your strategy into it, or so nobody has the access, the login and password to your strategy. So it is all in your control, and there is no question of strategy being leaked out.
Okay. One more question from Vinod Agarwal. He wants to know about how algorithmic trading is different from HFT trading. Is algorithmic trading is designed for high frequency trading? Are you aware of average instrument and average returns? Do you have any idea on that?
I see there is some misconceptions about algorithmic trading and high frequency trading. See, algorithmic trading is the trading with the set of rules. Now there are two classifications. One is the high frequency trading and second is the non-high frequency trading, let's say. So both are algorithmic trading. Okay, high frequency trading means basically you want to send millions of the orders in the fraction of a second. That is called as the high frequency trading. Generally, such kind of trading is done by the hedge funds or the prop desk brokers or maybe a couple of HNIs. They would like to do it because they are looking at the smaller opportunities. Maybe they are looking at 10 paisa, 20 paisa kind of opportunities, and they want to. They have a lot of funds which they want to exercise it. Okay.
Okay.
Non-high frequency trading, where you are looking at the bigger delta, you are looking at the more profits per trade, which is called as the non-high frequency trading, which is essentially a directional trading. Okay, and whereas high frequency trading is essentially or mostly are the arbitrage trading. So okay, so my part was I was classifying between the high frequency and non-high frequency. So Rajendran, I missed the question, the second part of the question.
Yes, one more question from Drumil Patel. He want to know about do we need to monitor the algorithmic trades continuously, whether it has been executed successfully or not? Do we always, someone has to be always there on the machine, or can I run the system, I go somewhere and come back once the market is over? Is it like that? What's your recommended way of doing a proper monitoring?
See, basically algorithmic trading is that where automated trading is happening, machine is placing order on your behalf, and practically you should not be looking at it, but in the actual scenario may be different. You may have some unseen market conditions, or your algorithm has not been covered for unforeseen market condition and market has behaved drastically different and you are not there to look at it, and you possibly would have taken some alternate action about it. Let's say suddenly you had your everyday your profitability with your algorithm is 10,000 rupees, and there was a sudden market opportunity where on a particular day your M2M reached to about 50,000 profit, but you are not in front of the machine, and you would have otherwise booked the profit, but by end of the day your profitability got reduced to only 25,000 rupees. So it is obviously better that we keep monitoring it every now and then, but it is up to you. As such, you need not be in front of the screen, but as a trader, as a good trader, you need to keep on monitoring because it's a matter of money.
Okay. So one more question from Ravi and Sanjay. They want to know about what is a paper trading club, and do you provide online support?
Yes, we provide online support. We have a support team which will constantly be in touch with you, will be available with you on phone, on chat session. Phone, we are always there. The paper trading club, where we invite traders to test their algorithms. They can test it with the live feed, and the orders will go to the virtual exchange so that your capital is not at risk, and you can verify how your algos would have behaved.
Does the people have to partner with open an account with your partner brokers for trading, for involving in a paper trading club, or without having any account they can test their strategies in the paper trading club?
Paper trading club is sponsored by our partner brokers, so it is actually mandatory that you should be there with you should have an account with one of our partner brokers, and then you can participate in our paper trading club.
And Rahul Goyal, one more question from Rahul Goyal. For the same instrument, can we use different signals from any broker? Like one strategy is MACD and another strategy is Super Trend. Is it possible to execute different strategies on the same instrument, like say Nifty futures or Bank Nifty futures, so one single instrument and multiple strategies? Is it possible?
Yes, we allow this kind of trading, and we will also give you the profit and loss report based on your strategy wise, symbol wise profit and loss report. That means Bank Nifty for MACD, we will tell you how is the trading going on, and Bank Nifty for Bollinger Band strategy, we will tell you what is the profitability going on. So we allow you to trade with multiple strategies in the single stock, and we do the order matching and position matching based on the strategy wise, stock wise position.
Okay, so there is question from Ravi Palwankar to me. Can Rajendran build a strategy with Symphony to get the best returns? Ravi, my question is, I don't write strategy for others. I do strategy for myself. So, I don't expect any strategy from me, honestly. I don't code for others, basically, at this point of time. I'm not providing coding as a service. So, the strategy has to come from your side. Otherwise, we have an open library. You can access our Market Calls library at marketcalls.in/library. You can get all the AmiBroker AFL codes which are kept open source. Apart from that, I'm not writing code for anyone else, right? Praveen sir, we have one more question from Rajesh J. His question is, what is the difference between an algorithmic trading with an AmiBroker and an API? Are you providing any APIs?
Yes, we have APIs. We provide APIs of our trading platform. So we have several APIs to suit your programming expertise. We provide APIs in .NET, we provide APIs in Java, or if you are writing strategy in Python or XML or in Microsoft Excel or XML. So we have several APIs which you can use. Using these APIs, you may build your set of rules yourself or through your programmer in the language which is comfortable to you. And this API will help you to make a bridge with our trading platform, and you can trade. AmiBroker is again a separate application where we ourselves have used our own APIs, and we have created a bridge, and you don't have to use APIs of ours if you want to trade using AmiBroker or such pre-packaged bridge with us.
Okay. So Nitin once again asking how we can join the Paper Trading Club.
Okay, for joining the Paper Trading Club, you have to register with us by paying a nominal fee. The current fee is 1,000 rupees for 2 weeks of Paper Trading Access login, and then we will give you an access. You should obviously have your strategy which is integrated on Presto platform, or you can use one of our pre-packaged strategy. We have a couple of execution strategies which you can try on. We also have 1 or 2 trading strategies which you can test upon, or you can bring your AmiBroker based strategy and use our ready-made plugin and do the paper trading with that.
Okay, thanks. And Ravi is once again asking, can you form a partnership with Symphony Fintech? I think the question is to me. Ravi, we already partner with Symphony Fintech in providing a joint webinar or any kind of educational session. At this point of time, we don't have any business apart from business relationship apart from the webinar. Maybe if required, we might partner in the future. But at this point of time, we partner only on the educational front. Right, sir?
Yes, we have taken the joint responsibility educating the Indian trading community on what is algorithmic trading and how can they become the algo enabled trader. So we are doing a lot of educative seminar for the market. Yes.
Okay, there is one more question from Nikhil Dogra. Probably we'll take it as the final question, and we'll close the session. His question is it possible to scalp option spreads using Symphony Fintech? Now our nest for option spread scalping is inefficient. Do you provide any solution on scalping option spreads? If someone is having a strategy, scalping, how about scalping?
Yes, if you have a strategy, we can certainly write an efficient scalping program for you based on your custom methodology, and you can do the scalping on our platform.
Okay. So anything else you want to say, sir? Or any more question? One more question, one final question we can take if anyone is having a question. Fine. Sir, you want to say anything more to the audience?
I will say, I mean, first of all, thank you very much for all of you to spend your Saturday with me, and I really appreciate the intelligent questions which came across. Possibly I'll cover some of them in my next slide, which next time when I do the webinar. And thanks once again, all of you. Thanks, Rajendran.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Then we can close the session, and if you have any concerns related to partner brokers, or you want to know anything about brokerage or license fees, you can contact Praveen Gupta's email ID. The email ID is displaying here. Otherwise, you can go to symphonyfintech.com and you can contact the customer support team, right? So, hope you have wonderful insights today. So, we have one more webinar coming in on to understanding about the types of orders and Nest API plus trading in next section on 8th April. I guess the webinar is once again it is full, so I'm expecting everyone to be there on the next webinar, right? Thank you everyone. Thank you Praveen Gupta sir. Thanks for your time for educating the people on the basics of going through the algorithmic trading. So we'll meet you with one more interesting session. Till then, signing up from Market Calls.